Hello, my name is Dr. Kvitko and I have a practice in Sherman Oaks. One of the areas of my practice is Invisalign orthodontics. I am a preferred provider for Invisalign orthodontics and we do quite a bit of it. It's the excellent way to restore smile, to improve smile, to correct crooked teeth, correct misalignments, and sometimes correct faces because let's face it, the teeth have one-third of the a smile will make the face look much better. The procedure includes a series of removable aligners. Each of them should be worn for 2 weeks. And the interesting fact that improvement in the habits because they stop snacking during the day because when you snack, Invisalign is supposed to remove Invisalign, is supposed to brush your teeth afterwards. So a lot of people kind of skipping on a lot of candy or soda or anything that they would otherwise would like to have and therefore live a healthy life.
Always a pleasant visit. I really love Alpha Dental. I look forward to getting my teeth cleaned. When you're an actor like me, you really need a great smile.
We see a lot of actors, musicians, singers, a lot of people from the entertainment industry. We understand the importance of the small details when your face is on a big screen, especially HD. For new patients, we offer a very special deal. It's $29 for full examination, x-rays, and the cleaning. It's the way for us to introduce ourselves to you and, of course, present what we can do, how well we can do it. And it's for you to decide if you want to stay, of course, but most of the people do stay.